we assumed we would know how to clean up toxic waste sites. We actually didn't, and we never have figured out. So when you have a toxic waste site, what you do is you contain it so that the toxics can't leach out, or you move it. You take the toxic dirt and bring it someplace else to a place that's more containable, or you run water through it to filter it if it isn't that bad. But what we have learned is that even places that have toxic substances in it, you can develop. That's called brownfield. So you can build on top of toxic sites as long as you monitor the toxics and make sure they're not leaving the site. But during the early part of the industrial age in the 1920s, 30s, 40s, 50s, really up until the 70s, we were very lax in our management of very dangerous substances. And we paid a price for it. Between the military and civilians and the private sector and the government, we've spent somewhere between $500 billion and $1 trillion cleaning up toxic waste since 1980. We're nowhere near being finished. So it's obviously better to prevent it from ever getting into the environment, which is what we're doing now. But they're not doing it in China, they're not doing it in India, so other parts of the world will go through what we did. These substances can be very dangerous, can make people sick. Now, once a certain amount of economic development takes place and people know they're going to be fed, housed, and clothed, then they start worrying about these other issues. And I think as China and India develop, and China's already doing this, they're going to start paying much more attention to the environment.